Advertising design incorporates the power of images, words, and design to influence decision-making. It also employs psychology and business to lead consumers, corporations, and organizations. The advertising design program encourages creative innovation while stressing strong conceptual and presentation skills to prepare students for a variety of careers within advertising. Students analyze advertising strategies in theory and then develop their own conceptual approaches towards successful creative solutions. Students cover marketing solutions for print, multimedia interactive applications, and broadcast media, including radio and television. Students learn about the entire production process as they produce full campaign materials. The undergraduate program begins with a study in the evolution of modern advertising, the establishment of ad agencies, brand names, and product categories. Progression continues to current trends in advertising design practices and various studio courses that focus on the creation of complete strategic solutions. Undergraduate coursework parallels professional practice and often involves actual clients. Advertising design courses are taught in studios as well as in computer classrooms, equipped with industry-standard hardware and software. Classroom instruction is complemented by field trips to potential clients, advertising agencies, illustration and photography studios. Students gain real-world experience through internships, competitions and freelance assignments for local, regional and national businesses and organizations.
As far as researching the program, I figured out that it was a really strong combination of a lot of different interests that I have. It's like you can incorporate being conceptual, like an illustration, your design elements in graphic design, you get to work with photography and broadcast design. You get to be an expert in advertising and an expert in design and kind of unify those together.
Career options include creative positions in advertising agencies and in-house marketing and creative departments for industries such as newspapers, magazines, financial institutions, fashion, movie studios and television. Careers in advertising design include art direction, marketing, advertising copywriting, campaign strategy, creative direction, advertising design for newspapers, print and multimedia design production. In the architecturally rich setting of Savannah, students learn about the history of architecture and urbanism while experiencing it directly. The Architectural History program fosters a broad understanding of architecture and its history while emphasizing critical thinking, writing, and verbal communication skills. The curriculum stresses a strong academic grounding in the history of architecture, urbanism, and architectural theory across various periods, cultures, and styles. Students also develop technical skills in architectural graphics, 3D computer modeling, and preservation procedures. The department is committed to using new technology to analyze the past, particularly within the distinctive setting of Savannah's National Historic Landmark District, which possesses one of the most renowned urban plans in the world. Students may gain valuable practical experience by participating in research on the Virtual Historic Savannah project, which involves the creation of an online interactive 3D model of a section of downtown Savannah.
I had seen the Virtual Historic Savannah project online, and that seemed like a project that I could really enjoy working on. It just really interested me because they were using technology and history to portray a city, and so I had been interested in 3D modeling and different uses of technology.
Off-campus study trips are conducted in other architecturally significant places such as New York, Chicago, Rome, Florence, Venice, Paris, and Cologne. Professional internships with heritage organizations, museums, or municipal planning departments provide valuable practical experience for students. The annual lecture series and biennial Savannah Symposium offer students opportunities to meet visiting professionals and leading scholars. A growing number of career options in architectural history lie outside academia. These include careers in architectural research and evaluation, Main Street program management, preservation planning and administration, historic site management and curatorship, historical foundation management, positions in heritage organisations, city planning departments, preservation societies, museums, colleges and universities, writing and consulting as an architecture critic, heritage consultant or cultural resource coordinator. The Fashion Design program prepares students for careers in the glamorous world of fashion by fostering strong technical and presentation skills. Students learn a broad range of design skills including sketching, forecasting, promotion, presentation, pattern making and sewing.
I used to make things with safety pin and tape it to my body and never actually know how to create it properly. Well, there is a focus from design to construction.
Facilities and equipment reflect current industry requirements as well as the most up-to-date technologies to support learning and career preparation. Facilities include sewing studios equipped with customized dress forms, cutting tables, industrial sewing machines, as well as drawing and lecture studios. The department's computer lab offers internet access to online subscription services and individual workstations that support computer-aided design software programs. Students have an opportunity to showcase their work in a major production through the annual fashion show. Other creative opportunities include design projects and competitions hosted by professional associations and design companies. Students have numerous opportunities to augment their educational experience through internships with prominent design firms. The department sponsors regular presentations and workshops by nationally acclaimed designers. Students have the opportunity to learn about current trends within the world of fashion from some of the biggest names in the industry.
Zach Posen the other day was come to critique all of our works, which was interesting. He got to sort of, give us a good feedback of what's happening in the world.
Alumni have secured positions with leading companies such as Bill Blass, Victoria's Secret, Saks Fifth Avenue, Ralph Lauren, Betsy Johnson and Polo. Career options for fashion graduates include fashion designer, accessory designer, bridal wear designer, fashion stylist, fashion journalist, retail manager or fashion instructor.
The discipline of fibers encompasses a wide range of art forms, including not only the textile arts, weaving, fabric design, screen printing, surface design, and embellishment, but also sculptural and installation art. The fibers curriculum reflects this diversity, balancing industry-oriented with experimental fine art courses.
Well, I initially began studying fashion design at SCAD, and then I discovered fibers, which I hadn't heard of before, and it was really amazing because you can go so many different directions in this major. You can do fine art, concentration, studio production, or you can go into industry.
Fibers majors gain an understanding of historical and contemporary trends in the textiles industries, broaden their personal aesthetic sense, and gain technical proficiency in print, dobby, jacquard, and computer-aided design. Students can choose to concentrate on weaving, surface design, 3D approaches to fibers, or a combination of these disciplines. Fibers department facilities include a state-of-the-art computer lab with many NED graphics workstations, the same technology used by major textile manufacturers, a variety of 4 and 8 shaft floor looms, AVL CompuDobby looms, an AVL electronic jacquard hand loom, and screen printing, felting, and bookbinding equipment. Fibers students gain practical experience by pursuing industry internships either in the United States or abroad, and through participation in the annual Surtex International Student Design Competition, as well as contests sponsored by organizations such as the International Textile Market Association. Students can also take advantage of the many field trips to mills and design firms throughout the Southeast. Career options for Fibers graduates include professions in the textile industry, fine arts-related careers, and studio productions of crafted objects. Graduates working in the textile industry design printed and woven textiles for home furnishings, commercial and industrial furnishings, or apparel markets. They may design wallpaper, upholstery, carpet, stationery and gift wrap, and apparel fabrics.